So these are the new two devices coming in holiday of 2020. This is the Surface Neo, just announced today. It is a Windows 10X machine. Windows 10X is a new version of the operating system that we announced to power dual screens. When this opens up, look how paper thin these screens are. Incredible thinness. But then look at the size of the display, 13 inches, same size as the Surface Pro X. And then when I close it up, you have the ability to have a keyboard that you can drop on top like that, and a pen. And so you can put it in multiple postures. You can have a full PC for operating as a PC. You can put it in this posture if you wanted to watch a Netflix show. You've got tablet, and then of course you've got like a book if you want to read. So incredible functionality. Last but not least is the new Surface Duo. This is the first Surface device that will fit in your pocket. So you close it up, fits in your jacket, you can put it in the back of your back pocket. But when you open it up, again, look at that thinness. It's incredible. Thinner than a current iPhone today, but you now have the power of two screens, and when you open it up, you get an incredibly sized screen. And what's great about it, just like the Surface Duo, you have multiple postures. So you can do this. You can put it in compose mode if you wanted to type. And if you wanted to game, you can hold it in your hand and have gaming control capability.